Okay, hi guys, it's Paul from pdhsports, leading online racket specialist, and I just thought I would just offer a quick insight into a new grip that I've started using. I've always used like either a Torna grip or maybe Karakal's original grip, and somebody at my club who I'm playing quite a bit with has started using the Karakal X Gel, and he'd bought so many from us I thought I had to try it. And yeah, the reason for this review is that it's now my grip of choice. I don't know if anyone's tried it before. Be really interested to see the comments down below, but you know, I'm really surprised by how much I've taken to this grip. It's offered, you know, the cushioning and the feel is really nice, and you know, I found it very good for sort of sweat absorption. And yeah, again, I'm just sharing this review because it's not a grip that I've used before, and I thought it might be useful for you guys to try. So this is the Karakal X Gel grip. It's now available at pdhsports.com.